Yo, what is up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and today me and Aaron, we are going to be doing a comparison video.
Hello.
Which car is better, the Mustang, which is supercharged, or the GTI, which is turbocharged?
Yep.
So we're going to see which one is better. So first we're going to start off with rock paper scissors to see who goes first. Ready? Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So Aaron's car goes first. So we're going to do 5 challenges. Each challenge is going to be way different. They're either going to be good for the Mustang or bad for the Mustang, or good for the GTI or bad for the GTI. All right, first challenge is going to be 60 to 100. And whoever has the fastest time obviously wins that challenge. So we're going to start with Aaron's car. We're going to go to Mexico and film this part. So let's go over there, guys. All right, we are now in Aaron's car. I'm gonna put his time on a stopwatch on my phone, and we are gonna try, or Aaron's gonna have a time, and then I'm gonna have to try to beat it. So we are gonna start from a certain pole all the way down, probably to the light, and yeah. We are almost to the pole. Now, Aaron's time started. You guys can't really see him because I have the light off on that side. Aaron's car does the curves hella good. We're making it to the last curve. We'll stop it at this pole. Stop. Aaron did that in 52 seconds and 78 milliseconds. So now this is the time that I have to beat. Don't worry, guys, we are in Mexico, so this is all legal. Legal? And this is all legal. Every time.
Guys, one thing about this car scares the absolute out of me, so so you'll honestly get my reaction plus the certain lap time you're supposed to do.
Now, faster than I thought. Alright, now stop.
Alright. I mean, well, that says it all.
It's also because this is like basically
it's I'm recording again.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here's so you can see yourself.
Alright guys. So that was way faster and we had a car in front of each other. I would have beaten him by a couple milliseconds probably more, but this round Mustang got it 41 seconds, 0.05?
Yeah.
0.05. So Mustang takes challenge number 1. Next, we are doing a 60 to 120 in Aaron's car. Aaron has a 10-mile advantage because I am doing 60 to 130. And plus, I'm gonna be in 4th gear. Usually, my 60s are in 3rd gear, but we are doing mine in 4th gear. So Aaron has 10-mile-per-hour advantage, and I am way slower in 4th gear.
Am I doing a 60 roll?
Yeah, you're doing 60 to 120.
Alright.
So, we are in Mexico. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, because I know some of you guys aren't even subscribed. So, alright. So, instead of doing 60 to 120 for Aaron, we are doing 60 to 100 because his car is really sketchy past 90. So we're gonna restart the timer and it's gonna go from 60 to 100.
Alright, welcome back, my peepers. Today we're gonna be racing the GTI.
.50 seconds. 10 seconds and 50 milliseconds. So Aaron's car is pretty fast. So it's 60 to 100. Now we're gonna try my car. So now it's my turn. What should we do instead? Because I gave you a better advantage. You did 60 to 100. Should I do 60 120?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna do 60 120. So
By the way, guys, we are in Mexico, so
yeah.
so this was my time. He has to beat that.
Yep.
Nope. We're resetting it.
And if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button already, go down and hit that subscribe button. It'll really mean a lot to me. And yeah, and more videos just like this are going to be uploaded to this channel. So stay tuned for those videos. And yeah, guys, let's get on back with the challenge video. All right.
3, 2, 1. 6.93 seconds.
You were off by a little bit. We hit 130. But
Oh, wait, it was 130?
that was to 120.
Oh.
60 120.
Okay.
But we hit 130. So
Nice.
we're good. So, the Mustang takes a dub. We might do a part 2 pretty soon with both of the cars again. Honestly, like, super quick plan, so we didn't have a lot of planning going into the back of this. So, stay tuned for part 2. But tomorrow, me and Aaron, we're going to record because I'm going to try to upload daily. If you guys know, I missed 2 days, or a total of 4 days. That was my bad. But yeah, we're heading back to Aaron's car and then we're gonna head home. And once we get to Aaron's car, we'll hit the outro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys can, hit that subscribe button at the
bottom.
at the bottom.
It's your boy Aaron, you know. Aaron's Automotive.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!